Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Realme 5 Pro smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to insert SIM cards and SD card in Realme 5 Pro smartphone. First of all, find out a hole which is available on the left side of our phone. This is the hole. And here you go to insert SIM ejector tool. And the SIM tray will be coming out. Just take it out. Keep your phone aside. Here you will see 3 slots. In the first 2 slots you can put 2 nano SIMs, and third slot you can put 1 micro SD card. In the first slot I put 1 nano SIM now. In the second slot put another nano SIM. In the final slot, put 1 micro SD card. Now insert the SIM tray into the phone. Now check whether SIM cards and SD card are working properly. Yes, SIM cards are detected. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, bye.